We started next question of revaluation account. While this is a full question which is started, and there are three steps while solving the numerical problem at the time of admission. First of all, we prepare the revaluation account. After that, we prepare a partner's capital account, cash account, and at the last, we prepare a final balance sheet which have all the adjustment which is shown in the revaluation account, partner's capital account, cash account. They all are transferred to the balance sheet at the last. So we are starting the first problem of admission question, numerical problem, in which we only discuss how the first step revaluation is prepared. So this is a question. In this, the balance sheet of Madhu and Vidhi are given. In this, they have an old ratio 3:2. So they are giving the old ratio 2:3 or 2/5, 3/5, in which the liability side given and the asset side given, in which the sum assets and the liability side liabilities are given. So in this question, new ratio is also given. New ratio is 2:3:5 or 2/10, 3/10, 5/10. But this ratio is not used while we are preparing a revaluation account. When we prepare a revaluation account, only old ratio is required because the partner's profit and loss in revaluation account is transferred to the partner's capital account in old ratio only. So let us start from the additional points. G bought Gayatri is a new partner which is bought 4 lakh as capital and his share of goodwill premium in cash. The goodwill of the firm be valued 3 lakh. While in this question, Gayatri's share of goodwill is equal to 3 lakh into 5/10 is equal to 1,50,000. This is also not shown in the revaluation account. This treatment is to be gone with the partner's capital account. Goodwill is distributed after calculating the sacrificing ratio, and then goodwill is distributed and the old partners adjust the goodwill in sacrificing ratio. So the second B point is land and building was found undervalued by 26,000. It means the value of land and building which is shown at the balance sheet 3 lakh, this is undervalued by 26,000. So students, this is the undervalued stock. So we are increasing this stock by 26,000, and when the land and building is increased because it is undervalued, while we are taking the value up to the mark, we are increasing the value of land and building by 26,000. So land and building is increased by 26,000. It means the value of asset is increased, and when value of asset is increased, it is shown at the credit side of the revaluation account as land and building by 26,000. So the next point is provision for doubtful debt was to be made equal to 5% on debtors. In this question, debtors are given 3 lakh and the provision is at the rate of 5%. 5% of 3 lakh is equal to 15,000. Earlier we made a provision of 10,000, but the total provision we required is 15,000. So when 5,000 is increased in provision, then asset is decreased. So the value of asset decrease is shown at the debit side of the revaluation account. So in place of the provision on debtors, earlier this provision is 10,000. We make a new provision equals to 5%, that is 15,000. 3 lakh minus 15,000 is 2,85,000. When at this time 2,90,000 is at the asset side under the head of the debtors. After this provision at the asset side, 2,85,000 is shown in the head of the debtors at the asset side. So 2,90,000 decreased to 2,85,000. So 5,000 is decreased in the value of the asset. When the value of debtors are decreased by 5,000, they are shown at the debit side of the revaluation account by 5,000 debtors. At the end, the last point is, there was a claim of 6,000 an account of workman compensation. While when workman compensation is shown in the balance sheet side, but in this question, workman compensation is not shown in the liability side. So the full value of liability is increased. Earlier we have discussed while preparing a format of revaluation account, when the value of liability is increased, it can be shown at the debit side of the revaluation account. This is also the point which shows the increase in the liability. Earlier the liability is not there in the balance sheet, but at the time of the admission we find that the claim of workman compensation 6,000 is there. So the liability of workman compensation is increased by 6,000. So 6,000 is debited in the revaluation account as workman compensation 6,000. So this is the total working of how we prepare a revaluation account. So we show how we prepare a revaluation account. So this is a revaluation account in which earlier we discussed which items are debited and which items are credited. Land and building is credited. Provision for doubtful debt decrease the value of debtors, so it can be debited. And the liability is created as workman compensation, which is earlier not shown in the balance sheet. So this liability is increased. So we equalize this. In this, credit side is more than the debit side. So balance is at the debit side. While when the balance is at the debit side, it shows the profit on revaluation. So this profit 15,000 is distributed to the partner's capital account